Oh, you and I, oh, we could never die.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So basically what we are doing today, guys, we are cook ackee and corn pork with pig's tail. So see ends over there, so I put in the pig's tail and the corn pork. Yes, guys, so one do all in there. Yes, so alright, that I've won this one. So guys, so the ackee apricot. So stay tuned with the video, guys. Real Jamaican fire. So guys, see pig's tail and the pork. That one. See we take it out of the pot. So see there, that's how it look. Masa, it is piece of this, guys. So we are go set on the dumpling or something, you know. This is pork, guys, and this is the pigtail. These are the pigtail. Yeah. Okay. How would you want it? Hijab.
You want
25 boy we have video it, guys.
Made from poor people, guys.
You make sure. I not get none.
Rich ally.
No problem with my feels.
I'm a friend of a boy. Brawling stiffy.
So guys, we are go. Yeah, it's dumpling. Dumpling and yam.
Yeah. Banana, breadfruit. All of that.
Rosita.
And Steve says she know eat dumpling.
So Giovanni ends out there, so him a vlog too. So you see salt, cornmeal and flour. I'm gonna throw a little salt in this. So guys, I hope you love the video. And make sure to see a like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes. Remember, guys, me I beg you to please just watch the ads. Watch the ads, guys. And this is Giovanni Hines. I make it dumpling. Yeah, make sure you wash your hand in them, Make sure you wash your hand in them. Because I know only I'm dirty finger, dirty flour.
Oh my God.
Watch your boy, yeah.
Put a filter on it.
Guys, come on, me never but give me pork, your bread. Look at boy, take up the pork, guys. Look at boy, don't run for the pork.
Sorry.
Watch him I use the big old bucket.
Sorry, you said, Mom, it's not the school. Water.
Me not go to school.
Suppose me something.
Gauge water. Gauge water.
Oh my God!
You go like you know name Poil Flour.
I'm going to show you.
Oh, this boy can Poil Flour already.
Miss anytime I watch this.
Hey.
Like
remember say Missy Carney Flour and the dog kissing teeth on him in here. Dog not TV, dog no one.
Look boy, come on, I'll let me cook in the kitchen. Come on, Shy Kitchen. Why you want to come? Let's see what to copy. This boy take up a big old bucket of pork and a fork.
Oh my God.
Notification.
To be notified of our latest updates. You know, we'll be out with those cooking videos. You know, with them bangers. Jamaican style outdoor cooking. If you want the indoor cooking, suggest the type of videos you want to see. Guys, remember
Top
to
talk
spam
on my
the
floor.
comment
Me no
section.
want on the floor again.
You don't have
Me no want on the floor again.
Go
Top
on.
talk on my floor, no man.
Thinking about it.
Oh my God, put a filter on it.
Put a bit of filter on it. Catch it, my boss.
Catch it, light rich. Catch it.
Oh outside the lie. Father. Ah.
Big boy. We always fight them for.
The peel yam, guys. You make about 13 dumplings. Peel yam, good man.
No one part the video too.
Much dumpling you make, Heinz? So guys, see, Aki, we had this up on the stove. We are frying pork on the stove. So this is the Aki. This is the people on hot. Pork are cut up.
It's coming.
So guys, see the Aki here. Not the Aki, the pork are cut up.
Cut up nice.
Slice it up fast. See.
Ah, it's dull, brother.
Just hurry up and cut up his something and
Yes,
that
chop it,
road. You see where that come?
People out and do a wet up.
Oh
my God.
Then you dumpling them must cook. Run me seed.
Oh my God.